Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Cardano account with Coinbase, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Cardano account with Coinbase, begin by logging into your Coinbase account. If you do not have an account yet, create one by providing your email address and setting a strong password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the Identity Verifications section. Click on the Verify Identity button to start the verification process. You will be prompted to provide some personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Fill in the required fields carefully, ensuring that all information matches your official identification documents. Next, select the identification type you wish to use for verification. Common options include a driver's license, passport, or national ID card. Upload clear images of your chosen identification document. Make sure the images are well lit and in focus to avoid delays in processing. Once you've uploaded the document, you may need to take a selfie for additional verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture your selfie. After submitting your documents, Coinbase will review your information. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You will receive a notification once your account has been verified. If any issues arise, check your email for further instructions from Coinbase. Once verified, you can start trading Cardano on the platform. Always ensure that your account is secure by enabling two-factor authentication. You are now ready to explore the world of Cardano with your verified Coinbase account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.